What's up, everybody? I wanted to show you this church right here. We're just a few miles outside of Montgomery. This is a historic Zion church here, and I'm not sure if weather got it. It's closed now, and it looks like they're doing repairs. And this church was part of the civil rights movement. There's a whole history about this church, and it's being totally restored, which I think is awesome. Like I said, I don't know what happened to it. We saw this from the freeway, and here's the other side right here. Very, very cool. And here's some more information about the church. So this church was implementation of civil rights protest in Montgomery. There's a whole thing here, the bus segregation, and the pastors of Mount Zion. Just a lot of history here, and plus the church scenes in the movie The Long Walk Home were filmed in this building. So Voters' Rights March, yeah, a lot of history here. This is really amazing. And one more look around and we'll show you, and we're gonna get going. But yeah, man, this is amazing, man. This is part of history here, and I hope they can really restore it. One more look around. That's it right there. There's a boxing gym right there too. There's another look. Mount Zion Church, part of history right here. So, all right, we're rolling back to the freeway. Just wanted to show you all this. Cheers.